Orange, ge! Orange, oh. Dun, binabaon yung mga... Ano re? Kaya yung kulay pula. Hoy, pula ba yung red violet yun? Kakatawa ka. Parang ano, ge? Yung papuntang Galalan. Oo, alam ko. Ge, umuo ka naman. Doon ba kayo sa Galalan? Nagano? Maki pa mo. Nagmaki na ba si Bill? Oo. Tapos nagte-text ako, palawdan mo ako ba yung palawdan dito? Nag-message. Online nga sa Facebook. Yaman naman. Kapitan. Ah? Sa kapitan ka? Hindi. Kapit ba? Walang password? Ha? Hindi, sinabi ka. Camping site. Wala tong kapartner eh. What? Umaki. Si Bill? Stig. Kasakit yung kapartner niya. Eh di paano yun? Saan?
Wouldn't come. It's been a while since I saw you at New Year, holding your breath, your eyes upon the second hand. The way you looked is still vivid to me. You're something out of a dream, messing with my head. And I've been looking for you. Are you hiding? 'Cause I like the way you're calling to me. You spell upon me. You're something out of a dream. And I like it, though I fight it. It took a while for the medicine to sink in, blow out the fog and remove all the cobwebs. Now I'm clear, I can hear myself think straight. I'm on the road with my clothes and a rucksack over my shoulder, following the whispers. People ask me where I'm going in such haste, and I say, my girl's a switchblade, a bright light on the cityscape. Wherever she goes, I'm gonna chase. You're something out of